Do you know what is the most asked question about the waltz?
How to rise and how to fall.
If you're not sure how to do this video is for you.
To show you how to rise and fall, we're going to demonstrate for you small practice routine in the waltz. We stay in the practice position and taking one preparation step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In the music of the waltz, we have one bar. In one bar of the music, we have 3 beats. 1, 2, and 3. When we're talking about rise and fall, we're going to rise and fall during these 3 beats gradually. We start to rise in the end of 1, continue on 2, continue on 3, and then going down in the end of count 3.
So let's count the music first.
So we have music of the waltz, and strongest beat count 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And through this music, we're going to rise gradually. Start on 1, continue on 2, and continue on 3. I'm going to show man step and show rise and fall. I'm taking preparation step on the count 3 and going down. Now I'm taking step forward 1 and start to rise in the end of 1 by pick up my right heel. Then continue to rise on the 2, take a step on the ball of the left foot, but keep a knee flexed. And then bringing feet together on the count 3, still rising. Now guys, we have a plateau here. You know, it's very stable position. My weight on the ball of the both feet, mostly over the right, but my knee still flexed. Then I'm going down in the end of count 3. And take a next step. 1, continue go up. 2, continue go up. 3, plateau again. Make sure now your weight mostly over your left and you're going down on the left. And we're taking change step forward. 1, go up, continue 2, continue 3, and then going down in the end of count 3.
The principles of rise and falls applies to various steps as well. So how we're gonna do it? Put a preparation step, then 1, 2, start rising gradually. 3 is a plateau. We are on our toes and we have the flex knees. The feeling as you can skip on the rope. Then 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3.
Guys, let me remind you one more time. This is the 2 most important points when you're doing rise and fall. First of all, we are rising gradually. Start on the 1, continue on 2, continue on 3. Then we have a plateau. It's a very stable position. Then we're going down in the end of count 3. Let me demonstrate. 1, 2, 3. 1, up, plateau, going down. 1, 2, plateau, going down. Secondly, second point, when we are collecting our feet, keep your knee flexed so your legs able to absorb your body weight, not reject. Common mistake when we're locking up our knee and coming up too high, can you see our legs when they straight, when they locked up, rejecting our weight instead of receive our body weight. Let me demonstrate correct way. So 1, 2, 3. You can see my knees are flexed. And 1, 2, 3. Now incorrect, common mistake. If I'm locking up my knee and going up too high. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep the knee flexed and this will give you very good balance and very nice musicality.